Hello, welcome to our channel Learning Fun Zone. My name is Harshada and let us start with today's video. Today we are going to learn how to create a fun jumping game in Scratch where our character jumps over moving obstacles. You will be surprised how easy it is to make this game in just 5 steps. So let's get started. So I'm on the scratch.mit.edu website and let's click on create. This will create a new project. Alright, so there are 5 steps. First step will be to make the character jump. Secondly, we have to add moving obstacles. And third, to stop the game and adding more obstacles and then keeping up the score. So let's start with the first step. You can take any character, but I'll just change it to something different. Take this as I'll delete the default one to reduce this size. Just change the backdrop. There are different backdrops. You can add any backdrop according to your choice. For now, I'll just select something related to space. We want our character to jump. So for jumping, we need the character to go upward. So that is change in y-axis. So let us go and add the block for changing in y. This is change y by 10. And we can add a repeat block. I'll repeat it for 15. Let us duplicate this. It's going up, but we need it to come down as well so that it will jump and come back. So I will change this to -10. Let us try now. Okay, it's jumping and coming back. Okay. So we want this action when the space key is pressed. So I will just add this when the space key is pressed. So when I am clicking on the space key, it is jumping. Alright, perfect. As it is a game, let's make it little interesting and we can add some sound from the sound. So you can add some new sound. Space. This looks good for a jump. So add this. Let me rerun. Okay, it's running. Add some obstacle. I'll add these rocks. The astronaut will jump on these rocks. The size we can reduce a bit to these rocks to start from this position. You can see here x and y coordinates of these. In Scratch, we can see x and y coordinates of all these sprites. We want this to start from this particular position. So let's go add the go to block. By default, it is taking this 2 coordinates only. Okay, and we want this particular rock to glide here. so that our astronaut will jump. So let us drag this over here. Okay, so this is the position minus 208 minus 112. So we'll click on this block and it is taking those coordinates. So let us try and it is running. It is coming at that position. Perfect. And we can add a forever loop in that. So that it is running continuously. And we can do this when the start button is started. The green flag is clicked, we can start this. So this is gliding little fast. I can just ask it to wait for 3 seconds. So that we can jump. Perfect. Stop the game when it is touching the rock. So let us add the stop all block. And I will add the wait until loop. And we want the condition to be touching the rocks. So if it is touching the astronaut, it should stop. So I've written here Kiran. Name of our astronaut is Kiran. And event is when the green flag is. So we will purposely not jump and see if it is stopping. Okay, stopped. Position of astronaut got changed, right? So we need to fix this position of the astronaut. Let us click on astronaut. And we will add the go to block. And we will start it. Green flag is clicked. So whenever the green flag is clicked, the astronaut will come at its original position. Now let us add the fourth step. So fourth step is to add more obstacles. So it's very easy. We just need to right click and duplicate. So we have another rock set and it has the same code as that of the other rock. So let's try to run that. Okay, but we are still seeing one rock only. Don't see two sprites. So it's happening because they are gliding on each other and they have exact same script. So for the first rock, I will add some waiting for 1 second. Just waiting for 1 second. So instead of that, we can add hide and show for 1 second. You can go in looks. And we will hide the first rock for 1 second. It will show along with the second one. Perfect. So for any game, we need to add a score as well, right? So from the score, for the score, we can add a variable as, and and we need to change the score by 1 when the jump is successful, right? So change the variable by 1 when it has successfully jumped on the rock, and we can set the score to 0 when it will restart the game, right? So whenever we are restarting the game, we will set the score to 0. I have changed the wait for 3 seconds so that we have some beginner level, so it is easier for us to play. So let us try and run this. Oh, wow, 1 point, 2 point. Oh, got fail. So nice. Try to play this game, and you can try changing different backdrops, different sprites, and you can also try to add some new levels in this. Like you can add some more speed, and you can try to add different kind of obstacles.
Remember, Scratch offers endless possibilities, so feel free to customize on this project and expand on this project. Thanks for watching till the end. Please take a moment to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's spread the coding joy together.